Yo, where the f
Hey,
is J-Lo?
y'all seen J-Lo?
Where you
Where
at?
As y'all can see, man, I'm beat. We got the motor mounts on though, and they actually look good. Next, we got to take that tail shaft adapter off and put the one from the 700 R4 on there. Then I get back to y'all.
Few inches later.
So we have to take this tail shaft adapter off. We have this plate right here, $400 on eBay. That will mate the 6-bolt pattern to the 4-bolt. I can't talk. 6-bolt pattern to the 4-bolt pattern on the tail shaft adapters. And in theory, this bad boy would be good to put in. So let's do it. So we got the tail shaft off. It was kind of simple, just 6 bolts around the outside and then it slides off. So we're gonna go ahead and mate the adapter up to it and then take the other one off and mate it to this bad boy. So let's do it. Puppy, what up, gang? You do know English. How you know I was talking to you? Y'all can see we got that tail shaft adapter mounted and in place. So now,
Day 2.
what's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here again, back with another video. Today we're back messing with the LS motor. As you can see, this bad boy is dirty. So I went and invested in some, where is it? I went and invested in some oven cleaner, and I've been told that it'll clean this up really good. I know that there's rust spot on the balancer and whatnot. As far as this coolant, and there are oil spots around that need to also be addressed. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with this oven cleaner and get this bad boy cleaned up. I know this also will dry out seals. I will put that warning out. It will dry out plastic and seals. So I'm gonna be very specific on where I spray this, and with hopes of getting this bad boy clean. So without further ado, let's do it. So I'm gonna do it in different coats. I have the first coat of oven cleaner on now. It's been sitting for about maybe 5 minutes or so, and I'm gonna hit it with the pressure washer. Nothing's connected to the battery now, so I'm not really worried about shorts. I'm also gonna come behind with compressed air and blow out all the electrical ports just to ensure that we're not shorting anything out. But let's do it.
Hey, so make 'em run it back.